Hi, my name is Joseph Cabral. We got a stick welder right here. We're going to do a little bit of talking about that, and we're going to show a demonstration how to use it. First off, you got, as you can tell, the piece of metal that you weld with. If you look right here, it says 6013. Most of them, they'll have an E in front of it, which stands for electrode. And then the 60 stands for the strength in KSI, the thousands per second. And then the number 1 stands for position, and then the number 3 stands for type of coating, which the number 3 on this is titanium potassium. And you can weld AC or DC EP with this. So if you come over here to the box, which we got a link in right here, we got 40 through 225, which that's positive current running through here. Right now we have it set at 120 for this type of stick. So you got positive current coming through this wire, which connects to this. So you stick your electrode right here inside. See that little shiny part is your electrode, and the outside right here is your coating. But with this, it's kind of neat because if you look inside, it has different types of gouges in it for different angles. So whatever works best for you. So when it has 120 volts coming through here, and you go weld, you're completing a circuit because this is negative ground, or your ground. So you're completing a circuit, and it starts melting your electrode right here into metal, or combining the metal, which is actually melting the metal in the electrode and melting the metal, or the two pieces of metal that you're trying to weld together, and it's combining them. Once you get done doing that, as you can tell, you got the coating right here, which I don't have a demonstration to show you, but when I go weld, I'll show you. But this is the coating that's on top, which you break that off with your hammer or chisel that we made here. But you break it off, and once you break that off, you gotta clean it. You gotta clean it very well. If you don't clean it very well, it will not penetrate very well. And you'll have a lot of slag inside your weld, and it won't be as strong, so it'll break very easily. So make sure you use this, and make sure you get the right type of metal material. There's different types of brushes to get, and I'd recommend getting multiple different ones, because depending on what type of metal you're trying to clean can contaminate the other sticks. But other than that, we're going to show a demonstration real quick. Let me get the machine set up, and we'll be back now. Alright, we're back with the stick welding. I'm going to do a demonstration. So I got the machine set up the way I want it. I got my piece of my T-plate right here to weld on. First, what we're going to do is clean it, make sure it's got a good surface. Make sure it's all clean, there's nothing on it. Next is just turn on the machine, grab my electrode, set it the way I want it, the angle, and we weld. So now, shut the machine real quick. Now, as you can tell, I went all the way down, but all that coating right there that you see is slag, so that's not the actual weld itself. So take our little hammer and as you can tell, it's kind of hard to get the slag off. I didn't really clean the metal that well, but alright, that right there, that's the weld. When I first started it, they created a gas around the arc, which allowed it to stay steady and weld. If you can't get the arc to start off at the first hit, just take the tip of it, scrub it against the ground to break some of the coating off, so you can get the middle electrode in the middle. Once you do that, it'll arc and make a weld. Hope you learned something.